Hey guys, this profile pop-up is from Mintu. He is looking to get a job out of 3 million people. Here's his real picture, by the way. You notice the picture that I had here a second ago? It's a great tip that I got from my friend John Asperian over in the UK. See how it removes all the background? Let me know in the comments. I'd be glad to let you know what that link is. But I would ask for you to get some engagement there in the comments. But anyway, you see this profile here? He's got a great background. He's got a lot going on. It's kind of a neat technical thing showing that, to me, that says he's putting the pieces together. He makes things happen. I like it. The picture itself is good. You're smiling. You're looking forward. Just got to clean up that background, and I just showed you how to do that. But you're looking to make a pop, is what I understand. And the way to do that, I want to show you, in a sense here, what you're up against. Because what jumps out at me is that you're an integration technical lead. And if I back up, and I've been doing some searching here, but if I put in integration technical lead and I even choose people, you are up against 3 million people, my friend Mintu. So notice you're not in the top 3. Now, what you were saying to me, as far as I understand, let's say you're interested in not only just an integration lead, but let's add some of those key skills, the MuleSoft, IIB, Salesforce in there, and the 3 million does go down. It disappears on you there, but it's 55 results, and you're not in the top 3. But you know what I'm about to say, guys? I wonder who knows what's coming next. Look at that little term that you've got at the beginning of your headline. When I add that in, and if it actually works, give it a second here, it will. I have to redo it twice. Apologies. Look who comes up as the only one found. One result out of 3 million people. Now, of course, you've got a few of the other skills that you're looking for, but you're getting found for it. So it also gives you a hint. It's probably finding it here, integration lead in the headline. The Ono obviously is helping, the MuleSoft, and integration lead here in bold. The IIB is in bold. So the biggest presence here was probably the past role, which is interesting because you did have an integration lead as your current job as well. So it's interesting how that works. But out of 3 million people, if people are looking for the things that you are looking for as well, boom, you're found. Number one, only one. Pretty amazing. Also, you've got 276 connections. I would advise you to keep being active on the platform. Get yourself up over the 500 connections at least, so that doesn't stand out and as any sort of a thing that might be perceived as against you. Also, I would say I am not a fan of the resume attached because it can be more of a red flag than a help. If people are interested, if you brought them in and drew them into your profile here and you made it pop, that's what's going to draw people in. Then they'll ask you for the resume. Okay, so when I come into your profile fresh, let's also cover this real quick. Notice I got about 3 lines, 3 short lines here, and that's all I'm seeing. You could have a media attachment here, maybe something that you've done pretty cool with the technology. Have it be something that's a picture related, so it makes people want to click on there and then show some award, let's say, or something great you've done. But you need to try to entice us to open up and click on this or tap on this, see more. You hardly get anything there. So to me, what I liked, the 120 jumps out at me. I'm telling you, numbers jump out. Not necessarily version numbers like this of all these different tools that you used. That's kind of impressive on its own part, maybe if people are looking for that exact version. What I like is when I see results. I see that you handled 120 plus applications. What about that? Tell me more. I like it. I want to know more. That's the kind of thing that's going to help. Now notice as I'm scrolling here on the phone, and when I go in here to your most recent experience, 500, over 500 servers. Cool. You're currently coordinating that. You're currently coordinating the provisioning. That's great. Keep it going. Here's that 120 again. That's great. Now here, not much there for me to click and want to know more about. Okay, let's add more stuff in there. You see how important that past job was at IBM? It got you found for integration team lead or integration lead. So it's huge. These keywords that you have in here are being found in the title and in the description. Get big numbers in here, as many as you can think of from your past, to get more of a pop. Okay, it's always my number one thing that I'm going to say. Get us to grab our attention, add the skills. I don't think I saw Salesforce in here as a skill. If you're looking for that and you're good at it, get it in there. You could update your URL. But you did one good thing. Notice at the very bottom, you do not have the competition showing. So awesome job. You're well on your way. Just get those big results, those accomplishments. Make them shine. Make them pop. Get them above the line so people are drawn to want to pull in and keep on reading and get in touch with you for that next opportunity. Hope that helped, Mintu. Let me know below. Thanks.